Hello, welcome. In this video we will see linked list data structure. A linked list is a dynamic linear data structure where each element is a separate node. The nodes are linked using pointers. Each node in a linked list consists of data and a reference to the next node. The last node in the linked list reference to null. A linked list can be a simple linked list which is unidirectional, doubly linked list, bidirectional, and circular linked list. To insert node 25 between the nodes with values 15 and 40. Create a new node with 25, the new node is the current node. Now the node in front of the new node to be inserted as the previous node. The node after the new node is the next node. Now remove the pointers between the previous node and next node. Now adjust the previous pointer to the current node and set the current node pointer to the next node. Now let's see how to delete a node from linked list. If you want to remove the node with value 60 in between the nodes with value 40 and 35. The node with value 40 is the previous node and the node with value 35 is the next node. Now remove the previous node pointer. Now remove the current node pointer to next node. Finally, assign the previous node pointer to the next node. Linked lists are similar to arrays, and that can be used to implement applications that use queues and stacks principles. Another example is to represent the adjacency lists in graph data structures. It also used in dynamic memory allocation. Please continue watch my next video on how to create linked list using Java programming. Thank you. Please subscribe for more.